Hello everyone, back with today's episode. While the whole world is trying to battle against COVID-19 by trying to maintain social physical distancing, during this lockdown phase, we've been through the lockdown for multiple weeks now. While on one side it is we must maintain this distancing. On the other side, what's going on at home can be really challenging, especially for kids, because they are not able to go to school, they're not able to go to playgrounds, no park, no restaurant food. Staying at home can be very, very depressing also for them. Today I was thinking about this aspect and decided to post some recipes which will be very easy for parents to prepare at home and serve these food to the kids, just to satisfy a little bit of the cravings for their favorite foods. We are going to prepare today two such things: donuts and chocolate fudge mug cake that prepares very easily, and it doesn't take much time to prepare these things, not many ingredients either. Let's see how we prepare these. So I hope both the recipes must have been eye friendly for both parents as well as kids. So parents, try these two recipes for your kids. And the kids, I'm sure you're going to love it. Please, if you like these recipes, support me by liking, sharing and subscribing. We'll be back soon with yet another recipe. Till then, stay home and stay healthy. Bye bye.